गोवा समग्र शिक्षा अभियाना वरवीं नादोड्या रेवड्याच्या सहकारी शाळेंतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक खासा फूड अँड बेवरेजी विशीं प्रशिक्षण दिवपाची कार्यावळ जाली। ह्या वेळार वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे मॉकटेल्स कशे तयार करप ह्या विशीं प्रात्यक्षिका दाखयली। विद्यार्थी हॉस्पिटॅलिटी क्षेत्रांत आपलो फुडार कसो करूं शकता, तांकां खंयची संद आसा ह्या विशीं ह्या वेळार मार्गदर्शन केलें।
Always measure your things. So now this thing, anyone knows what this is? Jigger, yes. It also known as jigger, pride measure. Okay. So now this side is the 30 ml side. This is the 60 ml side. Yeah. And the main thing behind balance is if you measure things. Yeah. So now I'm adding around 15 ml of lime juice in this. Add a little bit of sugar syrup. I made it at home. You can make it at home. It's very easy to make. So you don't have to keep on stirring your drink until the sugar dissolves. Yes. So you make a bit of sugar syrup. Around 150 ml of mango juice and juice. And also, a very nicest thing you can do to understand if it's going better or not. So always stir this first before shaking it and have understand the taste. Okay. So this is the only step where you can add something which is missing. Now the lime juice will become too much. So this is okay. That's it. Around 5 ml. So by balancing it, what's this now? So I'm being on guys. And what this stands for?